Okay. Hello guys, it's me, Kids Explain, and today I will show you how to build a boat that leads you to exit. Look, I mean the thing that leads you to exit. And it will be 10 methods how to get there. First one is simple, but everyone uses it. And this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. And a hinge. And stand perfectly, then chung. And then make this like this, and I will fly like this. Why, it's not standing at all. I hear, what is this? Why? I didn't go. What? Okay, you just need to, and you will fly. Okay, second one is how to build. It's a normal boat. Look. I will build it real quick. It just needs like this. Sit, of course. And then you must sit here, make it full, like this. Then you must take a thruster, any of thruster. Then you must do like this and you will go flying. Now you must do like this. Then unlock it. And now we'll go again. We'll go up the sky. Now stop it when it's the second one. And then you're in the finish line. I will be some little glitches that be useful. And here you go, a flea goat. But run away before it gives you gold. Okay, one gold block, something like this. I will fly away, and I got searching for gold, like this. Next, you must get. I don't know. Okay, I will get. Look, there. You will go to there for 2 seconds. You must build this. Get a cake full of summer. Then place 2 thrusters like this. Then place 3 balloons here. And here you go. Now we must unlock it. Then place it. Now light up the balloons. And down jump, okay. Must more balloons. Somehow I'm not still flying. So it's uncle. No, I mean uncle. Then there are 3 of them. How about this one? First look. Oh, I want to fly. Okay, now you click the thruster. Any of thruster box. And then you fly very fast. And also if you press W, you will fly very fast. Then set up this one. Make the balloons disappear. But I can still fly with 3 balloons? 2 balloons? Then why can't we? Oh no, I'll fall. Help! Okay, we're here. And here we go again. And by the way, look, this sound says Jufin. So in the slime it disappears. That's the fact. Yeah. I will show you later how to remove it. But first we must collect that treasure. Easy! Now it's open. It's not even opening. But I must open. Nice, I mean! No. Sometimes I can call you. Okay. In the past, it was here a second though, but now it's removed. And also the key. That was summer. And it's got it like that. Why is everything goes? Delete! Hey, let's take on this one. What's this? Oh, wow, that's a rocket. Don't mess with me. Okay. The next one is very interesting and doesn't make any logics. First you need a pirate suit. But I can use some. Then a huge. Then you get yourself a magnet. Yeah, you're gonna need like something like this. Now delete the bug. Use it. Something went wrong. Please wait for 5 seconds before the owners can fix it. Okay. I know the problem now. I must place it right in my bag. Okay, now be careful because it's very fast. And just okay, the back is the front, and the front is the back. Like some I've got flight. Okay, if you don't want to happen like this, you have to make it big. By the way, when I go to see, I mean to see, I will record a video of me playing box spoons. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Okay. Let's get huge. So I said huge. Now magnet. Now pilots. Now we must go like this and something went wrong. Please wait for spindles to understand what's wrong. Oh no! Yeah! No! I don't have that line. Where am I? Where am I? Turn this off! Help! I am in the sky. Well, yeah, I'm from. I'm far away from the sky. Why was it? Why is this an air I'm shaking? That might him. It's not my friend. Let me check it. Yeah, everything is alright. I'm just checking if the video is gone. Because if it doesn't, I have to record again. So please, because I already recorded a little, but I forgot to turn on the equation. So I have to sit and shoot! It's working. Shoot! It's working. Well, what is he making? Well, here we will make. Come on. Well, it's so hard. Well, no. Go fast. Go. Well, it's hard to control it. That's the tip. It's the tip. It's hard to control it. Very hard. I mean, in the space now. Oh, no. Stop. But somehow you can do it. Somehow. But the next one will be interesting. All you need is this. That's it. And hinge. Again, hinge. Then place a candy. Oh, not. It's your choice. And then climb up. And you will fly. If you don't want to like this, it's have a solution. Just glue. Yeah, glue. Glue. Now just use clay. Nice, like you can see. Now the hinge is in. Now let's fly into the end. Like this. Perfectly fine. And we're flying very fast. And by the way, there's a second door in there. Oh, okay. Because if you hit all the crystals, all the cars, you will get a portal. The fair user for your builds. Okay, fly faster. Nice, we missed. Oh no. No! But you can fly through that if you're possible, man. And here I'm in a science class. Drink the potion! Oh no! Okay, you got it. The spot is out. Okay, next time. Nice. Anything here, but that is interesting leaf. But it's okay. You need this. It's also glitch. And this. Only just two things. You need to go to the end. That's crazy, right? So get yourself a boat. Shoot the fight in the here. And then shoot. But if you blow them. Nice, it's here. No, it must be in the air. No, I still fall. But it's hard to make. So it's hard. Okay, now we must like it. Sometimes it will work. So we must, because it's hard. Yes, we did it. Now we must just spam it a bunch of times. And I assume you will be in the end. But remember, take the time. But with this load can be a problem. So fly off. Don't forget to click, okay? I will restart. You must click magic times. Now go. Boop. No, I got teleported. No, I got. No. Let me go. There's a barrier in here. Okay, that's enough. Someone just. But they can somehow do it. Well, he left again. Okay, time to complete it. faster. If you get a can and sit and disappear, you will disappear like this. Then, if you grab a firework like this, place it right here. Then get yourself a pinch. Then connect it to it 2 times. Then do like this. And that's it. You can make crazy machines with it. And then just unlock it. And you will fly like this. I will be stuck until the firework gone. All this. Next glitch is with can. So the glitch is, if you get a chair, cake, remove the chair. Now I can walk. It's invisible cake. Not just this, because you must get yourself a can. There. And very quick. And then you must place this one. Put inside of this. Like something like this. Must be inside of thrust. Now you have to get a lever yourself. You must, and no. And sometimes it will work, and sometimes it will just. But it will be stuck and it will fly like this. Next glitch. Okay, the next glitch is if you get yourself I don't know, a big amount of dynamite. I don't have much, so I'm gonna buy them. 15, please. Okay, we have a lot of choices. No, it's okay. Now we can shock it around very quick. But it's hard to place them. Oh, someone must do it. Walk away because the stick. Shut your face. Anyway, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Then you must sit like here. Beside you. Should make it work. Please go away. Now sit. No, it must be in the center. Now, maybe it's like that. Okay, now we must put a lever and we'll fly. I must place that again. You serious? Because I didn't think that chair would block. But he did. Now let's place this. Now we have to make a step. To me to step. Or like this. Then I place a lever. So we must move them inside of this. Then place it and you will fly. Oh, that's one. That's all for today. Let me see. Okay, that's for today. Bye. Wait. My mouse is glitching. Please wait. Please wait. Wait. There's another. Oh.